Okay, so here is my steering wheel removal. First things first, you want to unplug your battery. I did the positive side. Some people say just remove the whole battery because I cannot get the negative side off. I do not have that many tools, so I couldn't get it off. So I just removed the positive, and you want to wait, from what I read, 15 minutes. But while I was waiting, I grabbed the T40 hex torque wrench, torque end, and you have two going in that way, one behind this side, one behind that side. I almost stripped out one because I am really bad about which way to turn to tighten or loosen. So just as reference, the left side, it will go towards the dash. You will turn it that way towards the dash. The right side, it will turn towards you to loosen the two bolts. Okay, so the bolts don't come out all the way, so just make sure you're not trying to unbolt them all. It took me just a little bit of force to pull it, but it did come out. Didn't want to really break anything, even though I don't plan on using it. But let's see. So I unplug that. Put a tab right there for that one. And I am not sure about this one. Okay, I think that one comes out later. But we will just set that up there. Try to rotate it up. There we go. So, sorry about the mess. Installed the call stereo today. Let's see here if I can remove this cruise control. You will lose cruise control if you have it. See if we can get this metal. Oh, you can't get that metal plate off. Okay, so there goes that. There's a tabs back here, which will, I believe, right there, so you can pull out your cruise control. Either that or go the other way. Let's try going the other way. Okay, pull it out that way. I'll use a screwdriver, push that tab in right there. And okay, so the bolt is 22 millimeter. Make sure you got that. I had to run back and forth to the store a couple times because I didn't have a ratchet that fit the 1/2 inch socket to go with the extension, to go with the 22 millimeter. You will need a 3-inch extension for this and to get around the steering wheel. So you want to leave a little bit. You want to, whenever you get it off, you want to re-thread it back on just a little bit so you don't smack yourself in the face, and then there you go. A little bit of grudge. Oh my God! There's the back of that. Some more screws. There you go. So there goes that. Now, screws on the bottom. Don't want to lose them. One, there's two. I believe 4 is the magic number. Hopefully this camera is pointed in the right direction. If not, that's gonna suck. There's that one. There goes that one. So there's only 3 screws to hold it on. Now, got 4 screws right here. Oh, cannot forget about that one. Let's see if we can get this off over it. We can. So. Push that one in. Push that one in. There goes that. Don't know if we will use it. So there's really no instructions for this that came with the NRG steering wheel. I'm kind of surprised, kind of pissed off, but basically I believe you should just the NRG symbol should be right up top. Put it on and it really doesn't move. So there goes that. tighten the bolt on, hold it, and screw it on. So I didn't record it, I forgot to, but from the original, the first hub, you'll have 2 wires coming out of it. I don't know exactly how they hook up, but sure, whatever. The horn might not work. I really don't care about that. I never use it. Ooh, sneeze. But you'll have a female end and a male end, and I didn't know really what to do with them until I kind of watched a video. But the plate that goes on this will have a female end and a male end. You just basically connect them all in and stuff them inside. And I would make sure you have 2 screws on hand and hand tighten them down, just so it's on there and good to go. So put the other 6 screws on and we'll go from there. Okay, so after you got that installed, you want to test out the quick release. And there you go. It's on. Perfecto. There is a safety latch right there with the NRG short hubs. You can remove that. I probably won't. I don't know. But yeah, they give you a separate Allen wrench that will allow you to, what you want to do is hold the button in, and there's a little Allen. You can loosen it up and it will come out. There's a spring underneath it. And yeah, that's about it. And now we will take this and go do the steering wheel. Okay, so here is the steering wheel. So you got these 2 wires. There's this extra wire. I'm pretty sure that's for connecting the horn. I'm really not too worried about the horn. I probably won't even hook these up. It is a pain in the butt to get them all in there. Excuse the mess if you guys see my desk is pretty messy. But there was a ring that came out whenever I opened my product, like this one right here. I believe it goes in there. Like I said, there was no instructions. That's the only place that I could see it fit. So that's where I put it. What you want to do first is put the steering wheel on. Want to line it up. I'm guessing the top hole goes up right there. You want it to basically be centered. Just like that. So we got nuts and we got bolts. Okay, so I didn't see what these bolts were used for. Hopefully I'm not doing this wrong. But basically you have the hub underneath with the wires coming out. You want to place a steering wheel on top of that. And then if you connect it, you connect the wires into here. And that pushes. Actually, I think I might want to try to remove this plastic thing first. before. So yeah, I don't know. I didn't see any way to hook up the horn, so I didn't really worry about it. What's a horn for anyways? Just makes noise. Car makes plenty of noise. Don't need it. If I want to need the horn for anything, whatever's happening is probably already too late to avoid, or somebody just pissed me off and there's no need for me to use it because somebody pissed me off. So, we will screw these in real quick. Starting to tighten this stuff up. About yay, strip. Okay, so in the car, putting it on. Let's test this baby out. Oh, right in there. Oh, that's so sweet. Love it. Yeah. So, horn does not work. I don't care. Take it off. Everything's pretty lined up right there. You got the quick release button. And boop. There you go. It's off. Let's button this baby up. So you want to move that up. Take that down there. Take this down here. Oh, put it in the bottom as far as I know. Okay, so. Sorry, don't know really what I'm doing. But yeah. Oh. So, there we go. Time to screw this baby in. Screwing time. Something in the back's not right. I don't know what I did. Okay, there you go. It takes a little bit of force. And then goes one. And I believe these screws hold the top in as well. I'm hoping. There's two. Number three. There's three. So, There we go. Put the baby on. What's up? There's no cancellation. I did something wrong, but that's whatever. Feels pretty good. I can move that by myself. So yeah, let's go test this baby out real quick. There's that. Wipers, front, back, everything's there, buttoned up. Not gonna come off. Just gonna make sure we are straight. The positioning does not feel any different. Response is still pretty good. Yeah, steering wheel is smaller. I can feel that, which really doesn't bother me. But yeah, it is a tiny bit crooked, but you know what? I can deal with a tiny bit crooked. So yeah, that's it. We are driving with the quick release steering wheel.